जय श्रीमन्नारायण 325th नामम फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम। ओम अपान्निधये नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, I realize that you are the one who was under that mountain Mandara in a Kurmaswarupam, in a divine tortoise shape, and you were the one who was bearing all the water while that mountain is churning in the big ocean. In order to have water not go across the shore, you were the one taking care of everything. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Apanidhaye Namaha. Om Apanidhaye Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sri Ramachandra Swami, in the process of consoling, pacifying Bharata, Ramachandra Swami saying like this: O Bharata, as and how in a big ocean, if two wood sticks comes together, how long they would travel together? At some point they will get separated. So also in everyone's life we come across evam bharyascha putrascha jnatayascha vasunicha, wives, spouses, children, all this wealth and everything comes to us, and at some point we lose them. There is nothing that we can stop. There is nothing goes along with according to us. There is nothing goes as and how we like to. So also, O Bharata, even if you want to be with our father Maharaju, Dasharatha Maharaju, we cannot do that. We will be willing to do that, but we cannot do that. Bharata, that is why let us not cry, let us not worry about those who are departed from the bodies. Anusochataha, don't cry for them. Bharata, as and how when people are walking in the street, there may be someone halfway saying that, can I also join with you? So also, just like that, we all have to join, we all have to follow our ancestors. That means, as and how they departed from the body, so also we would be end up departing from these bodies. Bharata, as and how we cannot bring the river back, so also we cannot reverse the life, reverse the age. Bharata, it goes forward only always. So we all have to just start thinking about only Paralokam. For that, we all have to earn so many virtues, so much of dharma we should be observing. Bharata, our father Dasharatha Maharaju is Dharmatma, great righteous man. He has done so many yajnas. He has done so many charities. With all that, he has taken care of so many people. Apta dakshinaihi, those who were in need, he took care of them. With all that, he earned so much of punyam. Dhuta papo gatasvargam. Pitanah Prithivipatihi. Like that, he washed off entire of papam, and our father Dasaratha Maharaju attained Svargalokam. That is why Bharata, let us not cry. Bhrutyanam Bharanat Samyak. Those who were relying on our father has taken care of them very well. Prajanam Paripalanat. He has ruled the kingdom very well and took care of all the people very well. And with all that earnings of great virtues, our father Dasaratha Maharaju has attained Swargam. Bharata, let us not cry. Our father Dasaratha Maharaju was respected by so many great people. His body was not cooperating. His body got so old and old. Sajirnam Manusham Deham. That is why our father left the body which was deteriorated, and he has attained a body Daivim Ruddhim Anuprapto Brahmaloka Viharinim. He has attained a body in which he would be able to enjoy all the Brahmalokam. He can enjoy over there. That suitable body he attained. Oh Bharata, let us not cry for our father Dasaratha Maharaju. Like that, Sri Ramachandra Swami consoling Bharata, and he is trying to explain so many Vedantic secrets, rahasyas to Bharata. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 35th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Achyutaha Pradhitaha Pranaha Pranado Vasavanujaha Apamnidhihi Adhishtanam Apramattaha Pratisthitaha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. I request each and every one of you to join our live program in Gattus Karishye Vachanantava YouTube channel tomorrow, that is 25th December, which is Gita Jayanti, Bhagavata Jayanti, Sri Vaikuntha Ekadasi. This live program is 10 a.m. America Central Time, 9:30 p.m. Bharat Time. After we join this program, we will do our Narayanastram and we will give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that Karishye Vachanam Tava. I request all of you to join and encourage all other friends and relatives to join this. Om Apam Nidhaye Namaha. Om Apam Nidhaye Namaha. Om Apam Nidhaye Namaha.